Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable auto backup while on roaming. So all you have to do, just do a swipe up and go to your settings on your phone, and you want to scroll all the way down to where you have accounts and backup. Click on that. Then from here, tap on backup data, and then if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see auto backup while on roaming, right? So if you toggle this on, it will be enabled. So whenever you're on roaming, your phone will also do backup. Now, keep in mind that when you're on roaming, you could be using up your mobile data. So if this is something that you really want to do, then you need to keep this in mind that it will use up your mobile data because there can be some charges while you're on roaming. So keep this in mind as well, right? Of course, it's always better to do your backup while you have internet access, such as Wi-Fi. But if you want to do this while on roaming, then the decision is totally up to you. But this is how you do it, guys. Very easy and very simple.